if you're trying to fill small pots, paper pots or toilet roll holders that you're trying to grow seedlings in, then there's a lot of problems trying to get everything in without making a mess, and you end up with more compost outside the roll than inside the roll. So I've found a cheap solution that works for me, so hopefully you'll find this solution useful. A quick and easy way of filling these toilet roll holders, because if you try and get it in, you'll get it all over the place. If you cut the top of a milk bottle, you've got a nice little handle there, just put it in and it will funnel your compost easily. Into your toilet roll. And there you have a full toilet roll with very little spillage. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see similar videos, updates on our garden and allotment and other instructional videos, please subscribe for updates on future videos. Goodbye for now, and come back soon.